Every published research paper starts the same way, with a single spark of an idea. But turning that idea into a journal-ready paper, that's the real journey. Let's walk through the full workflow end to end. Step 1. Write down the problem you noticed, a pattern, a limitation, a gap in a system, anything. A research paper doesn't start with data, it starts with curiosity. Step 2. Read a few related papers, look for what's already solved, and spot what's missing. Your paper lives in that missing space. That gap becomes your contribution. Step 3. Make it specific. Instead of battery performance, ask, how can we increase battery efficiency using supercapacitors? A clear question guides your entire paper. Step 4. Lay out your introduction, problem definition, proposed method, experiment or project work, results, and conclusion. If you're unsure about the flow, tools like Kalam AI inside Rearticle can help you generate a clean section-wise outline instantly. Step 5. Document what you built, how you built it, what data you collected, and what changed. Step 6. Figures, subfigures, tables, flowcharts. These make your paper stronger and clearer. Step 7. Search, cite, and organize your sources properly with Rearticle. In Rearticle, entering a DOI or title is enough. Citations and bibliographies auto-format based on your selected journal style. Step 8. Different journals, different rules. Fonts, margins, spacing, reference style, layout. But no worries. Go to Rearticle, select from 15,000 plus templates like IEEE, Elsevier, Springle, or any other journal template. Paste your content, the entire paper adapts instantly. Step 9. Check grammar, clarity, flow, figure placement, and reference accuracy. Rearticle makes it easy to adjust labels, captions, widths, and positions visually without breaking the formatting. Step 10. Once your paper looks perfect, export it as PDF, LaTeX, or directly to Overleaf from Rearticle. And that's the real workflow, from a small idea to a published paper. It's not magic, it's a sequence. With the right tools and the right process, your next project can become your next publication.